Hey guys, we're not on the trail. We're making this short video for you guys because, first of all, we want to say we apologize for not having released a video in like 3 weeks or almost a month. But the video we're working on is actually pretty long. But stay tuned because it should be out this week sometime.
And it's going to be a good one.
It is. But we also wanted to make this short video because we will be doing a giveaway on Instagram because we have reached our 1,000 followers. Yay!
So the details will be in that IG post, but the giveaway is going to start tomorrow, Monday, July 26th at 10 a.m. Pacific, and it will go through until Wednesday, 10 a.m. Pacific. So make sure to go check us out on Instagram at @officialhikecub for your chance to win. And we'll actually be raffling off one of our High Cub hats, as well as a water bottle and this cool REI backpack. So definitely stay tuned for that information. The post will go out on Instagram tomorrow. 10 a.m. Pacific is the raffle giveaway start time.
And we hope you guys can all participate. And as always, we always appreciate you guys' support and you keep us motivated. So like I always say, we'll see you on the trail.
Later.